Nice out today. Pretty sky. Ooh, kids out playing today, that's nice. Little baseball game going over there. Pretty clouds. Ooh, Frank? Jimmy! 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 What? Who is that calling? It's gotta be. What the frick? Oh, hey! Look over there! Yes, I see that. He's sleeping. So, don't tell me you're messing with him. Dude, hey, look, man, look. I gotta mess with him. No. Yes, I got to. No. Yes, come. I gotta do something, man. Man, I wouldn't. I just leave him alone. You know he's cranky. But I know, but it'd be so funny. Come on, I gotta do it. Oh, come on. Okay, I'm gonna think of something. Okay. Here we go.
Oh my goodness. Who in the... Jimmy? Was that you?
No.
Then who was it? Bill?
Yes?
Was that you?
Was that what?
You know what you did. Was that you that made that noise? Or was that you, Jimmy?
It wasn't me. I think you're just hearing things.
No, I heard it because it scared me. It was either you or it was Bill. Which one was it? Y'all need to be quiet. What?
Nothing?
Y'all need to be quiet so I can go to sleep. What? You're getting on my nerves. Now be quiet so I can go to sleep.